Space exploration is a thrilling adventure. In 2024, NASA and SpaceX launched the Crew 9 mission. It was an important mission. The destination was the International Space Station, or ISS. The ISS is a large spacecraft that orbits Earth. It is a science laboratory in space. The mission launched from Kennedy Space Center. A SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket carried the astronauts to space. The astronauts were excited to start their mission. They were ready to work hard and make discoveries. 4 astronauts were part of Crew 9. They were all experienced space travelers. First, there was Sunita "Suni" Williams. Suni is a NASA astronaut. She is known for her long-duration space flights. Next was Barry "Butch" Wilmore. Butch is also a NASA astronaut. He is a skilled pilot. Nick Hague, another NASA astronaut, joined them. Nick is known for his engineering expertise. Finally, there was Alexander Gorbanov. Alexander is a cosmonaut with Roscosmos, the Russian space agency. He brought experience from previous missions to the ISS. The Crew 9 astronauts were supposed to spend 8 days on the ISS. However, things did not go as planned. Shortly after launch, there were technical problems. The spacecraft encountered helium leaks. There were also malfunctions with the thrusters. These malfunctions were a serious concern. The safety of the astronauts was the top priority. NASA made a critical decision. They decided to bring the spacecraft back to Earth. The Crew 9 astronauts would not continue to the ISS. Their mission was cut short. The Crew 9 astronauts returned to Earth safely. Although their mission was shortened, they were in good spirits. They knew that space travel is risky. They understood that sometimes missions do not go as planned. Despite the setback, Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore remained at NASA. An opportunity arose for them to return to the ISS. A new mission was being planned. This time they would spend several months in space. Section 5 Life aboard the ISS. Suni and Butch joined a new crew for their extended stay on the ISS. Living in space is an incredible experience. The astronauts floated weightlessly. They conducted experiments in microgravity. They also had to adapt to daily life in space. This included eating, sleeping, and exercising in a microgravity environment. The astronauts had to be careful about keeping their bones and muscles strong. They exercised for 2 hours every day. They also had to maintain the space station. It required regular cleaning and maintenance.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Section 6. Science in Microgravity. The International Space Station is a unique laboratory for scientific research. Suni and Butch conducted many experiments during their time in space. They studied the effects of microgravity on the human body. They also conducted experiments in biology, physics, and material science. Their work has helped us to understand more about space and our universe. One of the most important things they studied was how to grow food in space. This research is crucial for future long-term space missions. Section 7. Homeward Bound. After 9 months, it was time for Suni and Butch to return to Earth. Their mission had been a success. They had conducted valuable research and made new discoveries. They boarded a SpaceX Dragon capsule for their journey home. The capsule undocked from the International Space Station and began its descent. It splashed down safely in the Pacific Ocean. The astronauts were happy to be back on Earth. They were greeted by their families and colleagues. Section 8. A mission for the history books. The SpaceX Crew 9 mission was a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Despite facing unexpected challenges, the astronauts persevered. They achieved their mission objectives. The mission also highlighted the importance of international cooperation in space exploration. NASA and Roscosmos worked together. They ensured the success of the mission. The Crew 9 mission will be remembered as an important step in our journey to explore the cosmos. It has paved the way for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Section 9. A time for reflection. As we look back on the SpaceX Crew 9 mission, we are reminded of the wonders of space. We are also reminded of the incredible things that humans can achieve when we work together. Space exploration is an investment in our future. It is an investment in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. It is an investment in our children and grandchildren. If you love your mom, please subscribe to learn more about space exploration and support our mission to inspire the next generation of astronauts and explorers.